Welcome to part 2 of this iPhone 8 Plus restoration. I want to restore it to a new one. So now we're going to fix back the flash on the new screen. You have to be careful while you're doing this. I'm taking my time to show you. I'm taking my time to show how it's done, so that when you're going to do your own, it won't be difficult. Make sure you tight each and every knot where it's supposed to be. So that's the essence of putting it aside. I won't lie, if you want to do this work, make sure you concentrate. Don't do it when you are being distracted or when your mind is absent. You have to concentrate, otherwise it might cost you what you not like to pay. Like if you see this now, about 2 knots is missing here. About 2 knots is missing here. Well, let's fix the iron and also tight it. Make sure you arrange the screen flash very well here, otherwise you can spoil it. And don't press this iron too much, otherwise you might break the screen. I've seen it happen before. If you press this much, you break the screen of the phone, this new screen. Remember what I used to tell you is better you take your time. Take your time and do the right thing. You don't get extra prize from being too fast. What people want is results, and good one. If the screwdriver is not working, use another one. That's how iPhone is. It has different sizes of nuts. Sometimes you'll be needing like 5 to 10 sets of screwdriver. That's a set of 10 screwdrivers or 5 just to fix one phone. We got to fix the home button or the fingerprint. I think there are some knots which I tight here that I'm not supposed to tight because of the fingerprint. That is just a mistake, and during your time to avoid that kind of mistake, I have to fix the fingerprint. And this particular phone, just like iPhone 7, if you are fixing the screen, the fingerprint will pass from front. But unlike 6 and 6S, you can fix the fingerprint from the back. In case you want to do your own and they are finding it difficult to fix this fingerprint, that's the home button. Remember, this particular thing work both as home button and also fingerprint. Once you are done fixing the home button, you can now tight the phone, the final one. When you are done, you have to test the screen again to make sure that everything is working. That's how it's done. You have to test the screen again.